Had a couple of appliances to take to the dump on the truck, and was a little tricky figuring out how to get them into the truck, out of the truck. It's not too complicated, but thought I'd share that today. So had some appliances with some bad smoke damage, and thinking it was going to make the strap smell really bad, make the Cincho smell. And the joke was probably everyone behind us changing lanes to get away from the smell.
Very nice. Nice. Okay, for that one. Better angle. Is better?
I thought I hadn't got the film, but
I know got I'll wash him.
There's old Stinky. A little bit different video today, not my normal deal, but I thought I'd catch some of this as we had this logistic problem of trying to get these two items into the truck, and it's not super complicated or anything, but we had a refrigerator in there, and then figuring out how we were going to get the washing machine in. Well, the easy solution was to roll the washing machine in. We didn't have a ramp, could have gotten something to use for a ramp or whatnot, but this was a nice easy way to flip it upside down. All the weight of it would be on the top then, and then we could roll it in and roll it onto the truck, and that was the easy solution. It also allowed us to dump out all the stinky water and strap things down. It's good to go. That's how it can be done without a ramp. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.